Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today I want to let you know some of the progress that we have done in the Blazor Restaurant project. So one of those advances that we have done is that we added we started working on the add order, right? The add order will eventually allow you to create a specific order. Let's say you want to order pizza to a specific location, right? Or an hamburger or whatever products that you add in the system, right? And then we implemented the support for Azure Maps here. So you see that we have here this look for that place, right? But I can search, let's say, this is using the um, search points of interest search of Azure Maps, right? So let's say that I want something close to McDonald's in Heredia, let's say, in Costa Rica, right? I can do something like that, and there are a couple of McDonald's in there, right? And then you can go and click. We still don't have the full support for it yet, but you will be able to click one of those. It will take you um, close to that place. See that this one is from Sao Paulo, or Mercedes, Avenida 6, Ulloa, Santa Rosa, and it redirects you or moves the map to that location. Eventually, we will show the markers as soon as you click here, right? So you will see the exact point where that is, and we will support for you to click a specific location to create a marker in there and set that point as the actual address where you want your order to be delivered, right? So we still have some work to do in there, but there is the basis for that. And we also implemented the support to load um, Power BI reports, right? This is the error logs, so you will be able to see that kind of information in there, right? So that's basically it, some of the progress that we have done. And remember, you can see the project in this URL, right? I'll put the URL in the video description. Also, please remember to share the channel, share the videos, invite more people so they can subscribe and we can keep growing and make videos. Remember to visit the links that are in the video description too. Have a great day. Thank you very much.